Hello to my M2 students in IEP Sarit Kaset, Campington Campus. Good day to all of you. And today we were going to continue our lesson last time about surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so last time we studied about the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so let's try to review what is the formula of that. Okay, so we have here the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so what is the formula? We have the top and the bottom of the cylinder. So that is the area of the base. And plus the lateral area. So what is the lateral area? So this is the perimeter times the height. Alright, so we have sum up here, that is 2 area of the base. So the base of a cylinder, of course, is a circle. So the circle is pi r squared plus 2 pi r times the height. Right? So this is the formula. Okay, so we studied before about this, and I hope you still remember that. Okay, so let's continue. More example. Okay, so example 1, we have here a cylinder with, look at that, the radius is 7 centimeter and the height is 3 centimeter. Okay, so let's solve this one using this formula. Okay, so the good thing of solving with formula, it's very easy because all you need to do is to follow only the formula and the rest will be easy. Okay, so let's solve this example. Alright, so okay, let's start on surface area that is equal to, what is this? 2 pi. Okay, so let's use pi here, that is equal to 22 over 7. Alright, so for this example only. Alright, so although you can use the 3.14, but this one I like to use 22 over 7. Alright, so surface area that is equal to 2. What is the pi? Okay, let's change the pi to 22 over 7 times the radius. What is the radius? 7 squared plus the lateral area, that is 2 pi again, 22 over 7 times the radius. What is the radius? 7 times the height. Where is the height? That is 3. Okay, so let's simplify this one. Okay, so in this equation now it's very easy. Look at that, because this is 7 and 7, we can do cancellation method. So that will be 7. So we have 2 times 22 times 7 plus, let's do the same, we have 2 times 22 times 3. Alright, so we have 2 times 22, that is 44, times 7 is equal to 308 plus 44 times 3 is equal to 132. Alright, so simplify this one. So that is equal to 308 plus 132, that is equal to 440 centimeter squared. So this is our lateral surface area of this example. Okay, so you understand, right? Like I said, if solving with formula is very easy, just follow the steps, simplify, and you have this one. Okay, so let's proceed to another example. Okay, we have here example 2. Okay, example 2, we have what is that? Okay, example 2, let's say this given here. Okay, so pangit the drawings. And okay. Alright, so that close. Okay, so example number 2. Right, so we have here another one. Oh my god, my drawing is very funny. Okay, so example 2. So we have given 14 centimeter the radius and with the height of 10 centimeters. So given cylinder. Now let's try to solve the surface area of this given example. Alright, so let's simplify again using with that formula. So we have surface area that is equal to 2 pi. Okay, let's try to use again our pi that is equal to 22 over 7. Okay, so we have 22 over 7 times the radius 14 squared plus 2 pi 22 over 7. Radius is 14 and the height which is 10. Okay, so let's simplify this one. So that is 44 over 7 times 14 times 14 or 14 squared, that is equal to 196 plus 2 times the same 44 over 7 times 14 times 10. Okay, so let's simplify this one. So we have that one, so that is 28. So 44 times 28, that is equal to 1232 plus, okay, we can add this one also, and we have 2, that is 44 times 2 times 10, that is equal to 888. Alright, so simplify 1232 plus 880, that is equal to 2112 centimeter squared. So this is our surface area of this given cylinder. Okay, so again, let's try. So that is 2 copy pi, which is we will use this pi. Second, the radius is this one, and squared. Do not forget to write that one. Okay, so next, copy 2 and the pi, now this again, and the radius, this one, and the height 10. Alright, okay, now simplify. Okay, so your surface area, that is 2112 centimeter squared. Okay, so you following? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you soon. Okay, so let's continue. Example number 3. Okay, we have a cylinder given. Okay, so we have here the diameter is 8 inches and the height is 8 inches as well. Okay, so let's solve the surface area of this given cylinder. Okay, so again, with that formula, we will solve it. So we have 2. Okay, what is our pi? Again, we will going to use the 22/7 pi. Alright, so we have 22/7. Like I said, you can still use the 3.14 value of the pi, right? Okay, so I continue. Pi and the radius. What is the radius? Okay, so this is the diameter and the diameter is 8. So half of that is the radius. So of course, that is 4 squared plus, do not forget to write the squared because some of you will get confused with that. So it means you're not going to write that one, then obviously that's wrong. Alright, so continue. So we have 2 pi 22/7 times the radius, 4 times the height. What is the height? 8. Okay, so let's continue. Simplify that one here. So 2 times 22/7, that is 44/7 times 4 times 4, that is 16 plus 44/7 times 4 times 8. Okay, so let's simplify this one. Now take note, this is a fraction form. Alright, so we will do the basic of the fraction form. Times 16/7 plus 44 times 4 times 8/7. Okay, so 44 times 16/7, that is equal to 704/7 plus 44 times 4 times 8, that is equal to 1408/7. Okay, so let's simplify that one. So we have 704 plus 1408, that is equal to 2112/7. Okay, so now let's simplify this one. So we have, okay, so we have 301 5/7 inches squared. Okay, so this is the surface area of the given cylinder. Okay, so here I'm using the fraction form. The fraction form pi to 22/7, and like I said, you can use the 3.14. Okay, now still you will come up with the same answer, right? So a recap. Okay, so we have 44 times 16, you can see here, over 7. We have 44 times 4 times 8/7, and then we will simplify that one here. Okay, now since they are the same denominator, so just copy that one. You can add directly the numerator because we have the same denominator, basic fraction. Okay, so we have, this is our surface area. Okay, so example number 4. With this cylinder given, we have the radius of 5 centimeter and the height of 12 centimeter. Okay, so let's solve. Let's find the surface area of this cylinder. So we have surface area, what is 2? Okay, so this time we will use the 3.14 value of the pi. Okay, value of the pi, so can we use that one? So 3.14 times, what is the radius? 5 squared plus 2 3.14 times the radius 5 and the height is 12. Okay, so let's continue. Let's simplify this one. So 2 times 3.14, that is equal to 6.28 times 5 times 5, 25, plus 6.28 times 5 times 12. Okay, so simplify this one. 6.28 times 25, that is equal to 157, plus 6.28 times 5 times 12, that is equal to 376.8. Okay, so simplify this two. We have 157 plus 376.8, that is equal to 533.8 centimeter. The unit is centimeter squared. Okay, so that is our surface area of this given cylinder. Okay, so I hope it's clear. I hope you understand, and if you have questions, you can just leave the comment below and I will answer that one. Okay, so alright, so that's all for today, and we will meet next week, right? Okay, so goodbye.